Dear students, today we are going to discuss one problem. Okay, all of you listen to the board. Our question is, in the figure below, a parallelogram is divided into 4 triangles by the diagonals. Calculate the angles of all these triangles. Okay, you have given one parallelogram, and by drawing the diagonals, the given parallelogram is divided into 4 triangles. Okay, so let us give the name ABCD. That is, ABCD is a parallelogram. Then AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay, so we can write ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, and AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram, AC and BD are the diagonals. We have 4 triangles. Which are they? Triangle ABO, triangle CDO, triangle BOC, and triangle AOD. You have given angle OAB 25 degree and angle OCB is also 25 degree. Then angle AOB is 90 degree. Is given in the question. Now, ABCD is a parallelogram. We can write AB and CD are parallel, and also BC and AD are parallel. Then that is, the opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. Now we can write AB and CD are parallel, and also BC and AD are parallel. Okay, now first consider this triangle, triangle ABO. From triangle ABO, we have angle OAB equals angle OAB equals 25 degree. Next, angle AOB is 90 degree. Okay, now we have to find out angle ABO. How can you say? How to find out angle ABO? Okay, we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write angle OAB plus angle AOB. Angle OAB plus angle AOB plus angle ABO equals 180. Now let us substitute angle OAB is as 25 degree and angle AOB as 90 degree. That is 25 plus 90 plus angle ABO. ABO. This is 180. Then just add 25 plus 90. What is the sum? 150 plus angle ABO equals 180. Therefore, angle ABO equals 180 minus 115. What is the difference? 180 minus 115. Yes, this is 65. Okay, angle ABO is 65. Now, angle ABO 65. Next, let us consider triangle CDO. Consider triangle CDO. From triangle CDO, okay, we can write angle COD is 90 degree. Angle COD is 90 degree. What is the reason? Yes, we have given angle AOB is 90 degree. So, angle COD is 90 degree. Can you say? Yes, these two are the opposite angles. Opposite angles. Okay. Now next, let us find out these two angles. Which are they? Angle OCD and angle ODC. Okay. What is angle OCD? Can you say what the measure of angle OCD from this figure? Listen, angle OAB and angle OCD are the alternate angles. Okay, just listen. AB, CD. Okay, then this angle 25 degree you have given. The next, this is also 25 degree. So from this figure, angle OAB is 25 degree. Angle OAB 25 degree and also angle OCD is 25 degree. Reason, they are the alternate angles. So we can write angle OAB equals angle OCD. Angle OCD equals 25 degree. What is the reason? Alternate angles. Alternate angles formed by the line AC meeting pair of parallel lines AB and CD. Okay, angle OAB equals angle OCD equals 25 degree. Reason, alternate angles, that is AB and CD are parallel. You have given ABCD is a parallelogram, then AB and CD are parallel. So angle OAB equals angle OCD equals 25 degree. 25 degree. Now next, we have to find out angle ODC or CDO. How can you say? Yes, angle CDO and angle ABO are the alternate angles. Okay. So, എങ്ങനെ ഇത് വരിക? Angle like this, A, B, C, D. Here one point O. Then angle ABO 65 degree and angle CDO, this is also 65 degree. Why? They are the alternate angles formed by the line BD meeting pair of parallel lines AB and CD. So we can write angle ABO equals ABO equals angle CDO. Angle CDO. DO equals 65 degree. ABO equals angle CDO. Measure is 65 degree. These are alternate angles. Okay. Alternate angles formed by the line BD meeting a pair of parallel lines AB and CD. So listen, this is 65 degree. Okay. So we got all three angles of this triangle CDO. Here angle OAB 25 degree, angle OBA 65 degree, angle AOB 90 degree. And here also angle COD is 90 degree. These two are the opposite angles. Next angle OCD 25 degree. What is the reason? Angle OAB is 25. These two angles are the alternate angles. Next angle ABO, angle CDO. These are the alternate angles. So the measure of the angles are equal, that is 65 degree. Now next we have to find out the angles of triangle OBC and triangle OAD. Okay. Now first here also 90 degree. Next let us consider this angle. Angle AOD. How to find out angle AOD? Can you say? Yes. These two angles are form a linear pair. Angle AOD and angle DOC or COD form a linear pair. That is the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So angle AOD is 90 degree. Angle AOD plus angle COD. Angle AOD plus angle COD equals 180 degree. Reason? Linear pair. Okay. Linear pair. Then angle AOD plus angle COD is 90 degree. We already got angle COD 90 degree. This is 180. Therefore, angle AOD is 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. So, this angle is 90. Now, next we have to find out angle OAD and angle ODC. First, we have to find out angle OAD. How? Can you say how to find out the measure of angle OAD? Yes, you have given angle OCB is 25 degree. In your question, you have given angle OCB 25 degree. Angle OCB and angle OAD are the alternate angles. Okay. Given angle OCB is 25 degree. Angle OCB 25 degree. So, angle OCB equals angle OAD. OAD equals 25 degree. What is the reason? Alternate angles. Okay, alternate angles formed by the line AC meeting pair of parallel lines BC and AD. this angle, angle OCD, OCB 25 degree, then angle OAD 25 degree. Okay. So, angle OCB equals angle OAD equals 25 degree. Next we have to find out this angle, angle ADO or ODA. How? Okay, we can use the angle sum. The sum of the angles of a triangle is, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, from triangle AOD, we can write angle OAD plus OAD plus angle AOD plus angle ADO. ADO equals 180. Now, what is the measure of angle OAD? OAD 25 plus angle AOD 90 plus angle ADO. This is 180. Next, 25 plus 90, 150 plus angle ADO is 180. Therefore, angle ADO is 180 minus 150, that is 65. Okay, angle ADO is 65. So, we got all angles of triangle OAD. Okay, we got the angles of triangle OAB, triangle OCD, triangle OAD. Now, we have to find out the angles of triangle OBC. What is the measure of this angle? Angle COB. Can you say? Yes, these are the opposite angles. So, angle BOC is also 90 degree. Okay, angle ADO 65 degree. Now, angle BOC is 90 degree. Angle BOC is 90 degree. What is the reason? Opposite angles. Opposite angles. Okay. And also, we have to find out this angle, angle OBC. How? Yes, angle ADO and angle OBC. ADO and angle OBC are the alternate angles. A, B, ADO 65 degree. So, angle OBC, this is also 65 degree. Angle ADO equals angle OBC equals 65 degree. These are alternate angles. Alternate angles formed by the line BD meeting a pair of parallel lines AD and BC. So, this is 65 degree. Okay. Okay, next alphabet angles. Draw the letter N as below. Just listen the letter N. What about these angles? These are the alternate angles. Okay. Next, letter M. Here, draw one parallel line through this point. Now, we got one pair of angles like this. These are the alternate angles. And also here, one more pair. These are the alternate angles. Now just let's listen the letter Z. These are the alternate angles. Okay. So our second chapter is over. Now let us stop the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.